Let's start about Bloom's taxonomy. So, what is a Bloom's taxonomy? The three lists cover the learning objectives in cognitive, affective, and sensory domains. The cognitive domain lists has been the primary focus of most traditional education and is frequently used to structure curriculum, learning objectives, assessment, and activities. Based in the original version of taxonomy, the cognitive domain is broken into the following six levels of objectives, but in 2001, revised edition of Bloom's taxonomy, the levels are slightly different. Remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, create. Create rather than synthesize. RUAAEC. The affective domain in emotive five levels domain, affective domain moving to order to the highest. Receiving the lowest level, the students passively pays attention. Without this level, no teaming can occur. Receiving is about the student's memory and recognition as well. Responding. Next responding. The student actively participates in the learning process, not only attends to a stimulus, the students also reacts in some way. Valuing. The students attaches a value to an object, phenomenon, or piece of information. The students associates a value or some values to the knowledge they acquired. Organizing. The students can put together different values, information, and ideas and can accommodate them for her own schema. Students is comparing, relating, and elaborating on what has been learned. Characterizing. The students at this level tries to build abstract knowledges. The psychomotor domain, that is action based skills. In the psychomotor domain, describe the ability to physically manipulate a tool or instrument like a hand or hammer. The three domains of learning. The committee identify domains of educational activities or learning as Bloom directed by 56. Cognitive, that is mental skills, affective, growth in feelings or emotions, psychomotor, manual or physical skills. Thus, Bloom's taxonomy of educational objective for knowledge-based goals. Levels of expertise. Knowledge. Description of level. Recall or recognition of terms, ideas, procedure and theories. Procedure, theories, etc. Example of measurable students' outcome. When is the first day of spring? এটা মনে করবে, আইডিয়া করবে। Comprehension. Interpret, extrapolate, but not see full implications or transfer to the situation. Closer to literal solstice represent. Translation. What does the summer? Application. Applies abstractions, general principles, or methods to specific concrete situations. What would Earth's seasons be like in sequence with different axis tilt? So this application part involves apply subtraction, general principles or method to specify situations. Next, analysis. Separation of complex ideas into constrained parts. Understanding of organization and relationship between the parts includes realizing the distinction between hypothesis and fact as well as between relevant and extraneous variables. Why are seasons reversed? The analysis in the southern hemisphere, the point analysis. Now synthesis, creative mental construction of ideas and concepts from multiple sources to form complex and a new integrated and meaningful pattern subject to given constraints. Synthesis, creative mental construction of ideas and concepts. The mental construction of ideas and concepts from multiple sources to form complex into a new integrated and meaningful pattern subject to given constraints. If the longest day of the year is in June, why is the northern hemisphere hottest in August? This is synthesis. Evaluation, judgment about the value, material, and methods for given purposes. A question what would be the important variables for predicting seasons on a newly discovered planet? So revised Bloom's 96 2001. KCAAC, KCAAC. Here RUAAEC. R for remember, U for understand, A for apply, A for analyze, E for evaluate, create. So some MCQs on Bloom's taxonomy. Which type of questions is a sample of evaluation? Do you agree with the action? Why was it better than? What source can you use to support your opinion? So these are the question 1, and the answer part is all of the above. Do you agree? এগুলো সবই তো question. Obviously এটা আছে question. Next. What questions would you ask Virat Kohli in an interview? Application, analysis, evaluation, none. So analysis হতে পারে. So question 2C, 2A. Question 2A, this is application. What question would you ask Virat? This is application. The highest level of cognitive domain is highest level KCAA. দেখে নাও highest level of cognitive domain আছে evaluation, আর 2001 এ এটাকে বলা হচ্ছে create, তাহলে evaluation 3D right. Now according to Bloom's taxonomy of educational objects, the lowest level of cognitive domain, that is comprehension in 2001, comprehension. So it is 4D. According to Bloom, knowledge বলেছে, knowledge তো KCA, identify correct sense of cognitive behaviors in the taxonomy of educational objective. Sequence K C তারপরে AAE, KC K সিটা দেয়নি, KC AAUS, কে প্রথমে নলেজ হবে, প্রথমে নলেজ কে এ, তারপরে সি, এস এ এ, এসি এ এ হলো, তারপরে হচ্ছে